What's up, dope chasers? If you can hear my voice, that means that you are still breathing. And that's a good thing, right? That means you have another opportunity to make the most of today. And this is the gift that we have, the present. So do that. Use that breath to make the most of today. Anyway, man, I'm going through some bullshit. The last couple of days, my voice has been in and out. I don't know if you can hear the raspiness in my voice right now, but I'm recovering. I had a big ass cigar, but I wasn't drinking anything while I was smoking the cigar. And unfortunately, that caused a reaction. I had a sore throat for one day, and then the next day, I had a buildup of phlegm in my throat. And that's basically, the cause of me losing my voice. But I didn't allow it to stop me. And I won't allow anything to stop me. Because I got big dreams, baby. And we're going to make things happen. But despite all the bull that's going on in my life, which really is anything because I'm still blessed to be here. It's just phlegm. I want to thank you all for being a part of the journey. Whether you're a client, you're a follower, or a fan of what we do, I want to thank you for joining me in this journey. And I need you to understand that every part of the journey won't be enjoyable. Some days you're going to have your down days. But what you want is outside your comfort zone. So either you're going to suck it up and go get it anyway, or you're going to complain and continue to live the same way you've always been living because you refuse to get outside your comfort zone. I'm outside of mine, baby. And it's not so bad out here. Tell him to shut up. Why? Because Jason White said so. Hey, Suzanne.
Hey, how are you?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Where I drive now, I'm seeing your face. You're getting bigger and bigger.
That's the plan.
When can we get together and talk about our next plan?
Uh,
I got some really great ideas and some, I've been waiting some digital package specials that go all the way across the board to hit social media, Instagram, our email, our website, and whatnot.
okay. Let me see. Let's get together next week.
Tell me the day and time.
Okay.
Other than, we can do anything but Wednesday the 21st at 8:30.
Okay. Let's do that Tuesday.
Tuesday?
Afternoon.
2 o'clock?
2 o'clock will work.
Or you want a little later, 2 or 3?
I know 2 o'clock will work. Tuesday next week.
2 o'clock.
2
Okay,
o'clock.
perfect. See you then.
I'll see you then. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. No, she comes to the office, so.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Siri. Siri, your ass ain't never working. You fired.
Alright, now your phone started bursting into flames because Apple got that shit on.
No, every time I ask Siri to do something, she'll never listen. Maybe just because my voice is a little off, she don't recognize me. You don't sound like my master. But yeah, what I was saying is, we have a lot of room on this.
Mm-hmm.
And I feel like one of them at the, so we're gonna do the dough chaser. I mean, the black lettuce on the front, but we're also gonna do the dough chaser in the back.
The traditional.
But I think we should probably do the piggy bank too.
What? Put two things on the back?
Yeah, what you think?
Or we only put it on the sleeve?
Piggy bank on the sleeve?
Or something. I just feel like putting it on the back is just two pieces. Like, I feel like
What do we put at the lower?
Yeah. If we're gonna add something, let's put it somewhere else. Let's fill the shirt out.
Okay, so bow and then like low back.
Go bow. No, I'm saying low, like go back to.
In the front?
Yeah.
That's a lot.
That is a lot on the front now, thinking, because it's black lettuce.
Yeah, it's black lettuce. I just figured we got a lot of room. We can do something. But we don't have to.
Because it'll be here and here. That give it, it's just giving us more space to put stuff on the shirt. I mean, we can do it. And it's using our resources.
Yeah,
Like, because you're right, there's a lot of space on that. And then, yeah.
Okay, cool. I mean, if you don't think so.
I think I like where you're going. Do we have any shirts with 2 things on the back?
Nope.
No. They're just on the neck. So you're thinking here and here.
Yep.
Yeah. I mean, that's gonna make like, let me see the front. What's that? Like, you know, if somebody see it, what's the bank for?
Exactly.
They're all what's the word? Conversational pieces.
Exactly.
So yes.
Hello, this is Jason White calling with Witness Richards. How are you doing today?
I am good. How are you?
I'm doing well. I was told you were interested in financial coaching. Did I reach at a good time?
My dilemma is figuring out how to coordinate the tips into my monthly thing because I get those nightly. So every night when I get off, I have those, whether it be $20 in cash and $62 in credit, or sometimes I get $80 in cash and 12 on my tip card. Like, just trying to coordinate that plan you gave me. I feel like it's gonna be valid. I just don't know how to make it make sense. That makes sense. Like everything I watch and I see, it totally makes sense. I just can't make it coordinate with what I have. And I do have a lot of things to do at the beginning of the month, so I get hammered from like the 28th of the month to the 10th. I'm hammered with stuff.
Okay.
And then I really only have a couple dwindling bills at the end of the month. Like the 16th and the 25th, and then like that's about it. Everything else at the beginning.
Okay.
Gas, lights, water, house note, car note.
I got you. Okay, so I get that you get paid every other week from one job, and then this new job you're gonna get paid every Friday. You're trying to figure out how to manage the tips because they're consistent, but they're not really consistent, and you don't want to
Correct.
plan for them, and then you don't have enough to take care of your bills, and then you're also having a hard time aligning your due dates to your income.
Yes.
Okay. And you need a plan that makes sense and also realistic.
Yep, you guys. I feel like I have enough. I may not have much left, which I've always been with, but I feel like you said, I'm paying an overdraft and interest because I'm paying Robin Peter to pay Paul because I need to take from this one to pay this one till I get to the next one. But it's like I have it, it's just I don't have it when I need it all at the right time.
Got you. Okay. I understand that completely. And to be honest, your problem isn't impossible to fix. Okay.
Okay.
You can definitely fix this. You just need something that gives you a bare minimum that you need to bring home. Okay.
Okay.
So what would need to happen is if we're going to create this plan for you, it's going to be pretty much about 4 sessions. Okay. The first session is getting an understanding of all your expenses, your income, your expenses, and then understanding your due dates. The next session is basically presenting you the budget and then talking to you about your banking. And then we're going to talk about, aligning your expenses to your income so that you can manage that. And then we're going to talk about implementation and how to make this work every month. Okay. Now we have the option of preparing this basically prior to having a conversation and sending it to you online, and you basically are able to rewind the video and watch it over and over. But it'll be your personal plan, or we'll have conversations where we talk on the phone and try our best to get you to understand it through the phone. Okay.
I'm very visual.
Okay. So yeah.
If that helps you, I'm very visual. Like you show me, I got it. Sometimes putting it together throws my mentals off a little bit. So sometimes if I just see it, the layout, the plan, I gotcha. I'm A+.
Okay. I appreciate that. So The first session is about 30 minutes, and then each session after that should be pretty much straightforward, but they're about 15 minutes. But the cost of the program, if you want to do it, is $297 and one payment. If you need to set it up in 2 payments, then it's $397.
Okay.
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 Is that something that you think you can do? I'm gonna get the cooking.
Hey, don't forget we need the tags.
We'll do that right now. Before I forget.
Jack, don't forget we need the tags.
Make the tags all white.
Yeah, and if we do make a white shirt, we'll just make a black tag.
Make black tags. That's easy.
Yeah, ain't no really point in trying to color coordinate them because it's the inside of your shirt.
Yep, t-shirts are bought. It should be here Thursday the 15th. The white ones. So in the meantime, we can actually start promoting it.
The ones we got on?
Yeah, the shirts that we have now, we can start promoting them. Even the new one, even the new one, we can start promoting the new one too.
Which is when you say new one.
That one,
How
and
much
then
is this what the
one
white
I'm about
shirts
to
is for?
design right now. So what?
Is this what the white shirts is for?
No, we're gonna do 5 of each in those size.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna have 25 shirts,
Okay.
and then we'll do 5 more and the white design I can come up with.
Oh, it's a new design total. Is it gonna be a black lettuce design?
No, I think I'm gonna do that. Don't chase it.
Oh, that basically.
Yeah, basically.
I mean, it's
That's
literally
basically
that.
it. Yeah.
Shit, let's put Never Settle. Or Never Going Broke. Or you just want to say DC and you gonna put the DC over it like that one?
Oh no, maybe I'll do Dough Chaser, and I can put the Never Going Broke on the back.
We can.
Yeah, we can try it. And nothing is solidified until we approve the actual design. So
And then when we actually see it.
yeah.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so our shoot Tuesday, we can make her one of these. We'll have these done.
Yep.
That's 3. That's 3 shirts.
Yep. That's cool. How you coming along?
Sides going.
Alright, making my rounds.
I'm good. How you doing?
Clutch with your phone.
Yeah, I was on 12.
Oh, okay.
You wasn't ready. You know.
How we doing here? We good? That's right here. Go hard, baby. Ready for round 2. It's about what? Let me see. 4:35. We close at 5. Round 2. It's going home. Hanging with my babies, and they need my energy too. So, cheers to that. Perfect. Think it's too close? Remember, we're gonna put that. We're gonna keep it there, or we're gonna move it.
Okay, that was I was thinking, was we saying there, or was we saying put it?
Yeah, put it down there.
Okay, that makes way more sense. I'm like, yeah, that looks too close. And this is small enough to fit right in.
I'm getting it right now. This is what we got here. 2 new drops for Dorchester. My black leather shirts. They'll be there. They'll be on dougchaser.com shortly. Check it out. Moral of the story, never stop creating. Let your gifts make room for you. I'm out, y'all.